question. Then who the band knew doesn't want their manager who actually their biggest fan? Jonathan? Not exactly the option. Sorry, I don't know what you mean. We come from your behaviour and version on that was stalker. That is not true. I just wanted to try something new with my life. No? Try something different? You did it. It was
my husband.
what? That look like I see it. It belongs to Stevie, isn't it? He gave it to me. Seems quite a personal kind of gift.